Hi everyone, this is Ishita, the legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm gonna brief you out about the International Religious Freedom Report 2021. The US Commission on International Religious Report USCIRF has recommended for the second year in a row to put India on a list countries of particular concern for the worst violation of religious freedom in 2020. Earlier, the US State Department, in its 2020 Human Rights Report, pointed out several human rights issues in India. Key points about the USCIRF. USCIRF is an independent, bipartisan US federal government commission dedicated to defending the universal right to freedom of religion or belief abroad. It is an advisory body to the US Congress. USCIRF's 2021 annual report assesses religious freedom violation and progress during calendar year 2020 in 26 countries and make independent recommendations for US policy. It is headquartered at Washington, D.C. About the report's primary focus is on two groups of the countries. Country of particular concern is a designation by the US Secretary of State of a nation engaged in severe violation of religious freedoms under IRFA, International Religious Freedom Act of 1998. A special watch list country is one that is deemed not to meet all the CPC criteria but engages in or tolerates severe violations of religious freedom. The report also includes USCIRF's recommendation of violent non-state across for the designation by the US State Department as entities of particular concern or EPCs under IRFA. Latest recommendation of USCIRF. For the CPC list, recommendation for the CPC list are Russia, Syria, Vietnam and India. Countries already on the CPC list and recommended by USCIRF for redesignation are Burma, China, Iran, Nigeria, North Korea, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan. For a special watch list, Afghanistan, Algeria, Azerbaijan, Egypt, Indonesia, Iraq, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Turkey and Uzbekistan are recommended for a special watch list along with Cuba and Nicaragua, both of which were already on the list for 2019. For EPCs, recommends even 7 non-state actors for redesignation as entities of particular concern: Al-Shabaab, Boko Haram, the Houthis, Hatyar Tahrir al-Sham, Islamic State in Greater Sahara, Jamaat Nasr al-Islam wal Muslim and the Taliban. India's case, areas of concern highlighted: passages of religious discrimination, Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, CAA, fast track citizenship for non Muslim refugees, South Asian countries meeting certain criteria. Delhi riots. The reports mention the attack that took place on religious minorities during Delhi riots by religious majority population in February 2020. National Register of Citizens. The consequences of execution, as exemplified by a large detention camp being built in Assam, are potentially devastating. Anti conversion laws. Despite India's constitutional protection for religious freedom, approximately one third of India's 28 states limit or prohibit religious conversion to protect the dominant religion for the perceived threat from religious minorities. Disinformation and incitement of violence. The fervor around cow slaughter continues to take root in policy. In December, the state of Karnataka revised an earlier bill to impose fines and imprisonment for the transport, sale, purchase of cattle for slaughter. Religious freedom and Jammu and Kashmir. In Muslim majority Jammu and Kashmir, restrictions of freedom of movement and assembly negatively impacted religious freedom, including the observance of religious holy days and ability to attend prayers. The shutdown of internet for nearly 18 months, the longest ever shutdown in any democracy, closing space for civil society, government officials under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, and other statutes to detain advocates, media, academic, including religious minorities. Freedom of religions in India. Freedom of religion in India is a fundamental right guaranteed by the Article 25 to 28 of the Indian Constitution. So guys, that was all with my today's information. If you like the video, please do like the button, share, subscribe, and comment down, and please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you.